A new NGO formed under Sarpathar constituency. 4 condition of roads varies commuters. Manjahidim Teron villagers facing potable water crisis. Good morning and welcome to Dailycast News. I'm Sariming Tipi and now the stories in details. Sarpathar Youth Forum, a non-government organization, was formed to uplift Sarpathar constituency. Under Sarpathar constituency, Sarpathar Youth Forum, a non-government organization, was formed to uplift Sarpathar constituency at CCI-IB Bokajan on 29th of August 2020. In the meeting, the objective of the gathering was briefed by Mr. Simeon Rongpar regarding the development concerns in every aspect towards the society under Sarpathar constituency. Unity amongst people, social and education empowerment towards the society irrespective of caste and religion. After him, every member present on the state meeting expressed their views towards the least developed Sarpathar constituency in every sphere. After a prolonged discussion, they formed a non-political organization and adopted the resolution, and accordingly members present in the meeting were unanimously resolved. As reported, Mr. Sivo Rompi was elected as president and Mr. Sukur Singh Inti was elected as general secretary. Report from our correspondent. Due to miserable road conditions under Kopati constituency, the local people and daily commuters perturbed and requested the authorities for immediate completion.
Under 7-number Kopali constituency, the road which links toward Khaironi Chariali and Lamsangkhan is badly damaged, and due to these conditions of road, the daily commuters are facing seriously problems. There is no smooth run for the transport. The vehicle has to half every minute just to adjust with the break roads and pots. As reported, the local people and daily commuters requested the PWD department under Khaironi subdivision and Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council to take necessary actions in the matter without any further delay. Said the Khaironi correspondent Joram Kathar.
Let's take a short break. Stay with us.
Langli TVS, Rongkhelan, opposite of DIG Banglo, Difu Mancha Road, Difu Karbi Anglong, Assam. Deals with all kinds of TVS bikes and scooters. Accessories, spare parts as well as sales and services are available. Finances are also available. For more details, contact 6000492143. Email langnemotors@gmail.com.
Welcome back. Due to scarcity of safe drinking water facility, Manjahidim Teron villagers disappointed and demanded immediate provision of ring wells to CEM of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. Under Lumbajang constituency, the people of Manjahidim Teron village were disappointed as potable water is scarce in the area. As reported, the villagers said that they have been facing such problems since long, and they demanded immediate provision of ring wells to CEM of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Mr. Tuliram Ronghang, to overcome the crisis. Longhup Ingti, the eldest son of late Chongkong Ingti, died at 62.
On 29th of August 2020, around 10:30 a.m., Longham Ingti, the eldest son of late Chongkong Ingti, died at 62 after suffering from paralysis. Late Longham Ingti is the permanent resident of Sarthe Ronghang village under Kuloni constituency. As reported, Longham Ingti has been working as Chokidar in Tarabasa Jeng Rongpi English ME School since 1990, and his untimely dismissal shocked the neighbor, and later the village paid their deepest condolence with bereaved family and pray for the eternal peace of his departed soul.
That's all for today. Keep watching Dailycast News.